how to fix Discord stuck on gray screen. Now, whenever you're trying to launch the Discord app, it is stuck on a gray screen. Now, in my case, I have already fixed it and I will show you a simple trick on how you can fix it. Now, after this, just close Discord, right? What you want to do is you want to open the run command, which you can do by just using Windows and R button on your keyboard, which will open the run command. Now, in the run command, you just want to go ahead and then type in percentage app data percentage. This will just go ahead and then just simply type this in and then hit the OK button and you'll be able to come to this folder. Now under this folder, just look for the folder called Discord and then just trash this, or which means to delete this. So right click on it and then click the trash icon or the delete button there and delete the Discord folder that you can see from this app data folder. After you've done that, now you can just try to relaunch the Discord app, and if it does, then your issue will be successfully fixed. As you can see, you'll be able to open Discord. I hope this 1 minute video has helped to solve your problem. If you have got any further questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you as always in our next video.